So, so now what I'm doing this is I try to some erase all those like these things. Uh, no need to. I just take rubber and I just erasing this pencil drawing. Okay, this pencil drawing actually disturbing to color dirty. Okay, just put color some darkness. So you can do like this, clear the pencil drawing. Okay, now I put color. So I using the orange. Okay, I put the orange color for here like this. Okay, like this. I using orange here. Okay, take time and understand how to create the character. Very easy way I want to show you. And I create here also orange. Here also orange. Okay. So I just make it erasing all the pencil line, so it's very helpful. And I using like marker, so it's help lots to create proper. So these two parts are used in the brown. Okay, if you have a brown sienna, this is better. You can put the brown sienna, this two. Okay, so I just make it first the first tone. We are making the second tone also, and third tone. Drawing is a 3 tones division. One the first tone, one the second tone, and last is the third tone. So we can make the third tone after that. So I put this tone. It's called the first tone only. I just using first tone. No any shading. I just put only the color. Understood? Only the base color. Fine. And I can merge little bit of with this finger. Okay. The base color. Very simple. Okay. First the base color I put. After the base color, I put the little shading. Okay. So we can making the shading with the brown also. So shading, how do you put shading? Like this. I put shading over here. Okay. With the brown, I put shading here. So it looks like a ball kind of. See, this is the ball is shading, no? You see that highlights. You see that this is the code shadow. It's called the code shadow. It's called the highlights. It's called the reflection light. Okay, this is the shadow. So all those things I can apply in this head also. Then it looks like a 3 dimension. Okay. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, I just make it little shading over here. Okay, like this. So when you put shading, it's look 3 dimensional. It's look like a oval. Okay, that's the reason. For example, I put over here this ball. Okay, so the character is not flat; it's like an oval, right? The jackals or wolf, it's an oval, so you can make it ovalless. Okay, here also I put these things. I put the shadow also. Okay, I put some shadow. So lights come from here, so here is the shadow. I put some shadow over here. Okay, it's called the shadow. And I'm making the cast shadow. You just make it little cast shadow here. See, I just put some cast shadow. So it looks very nice right now, right? So I make it the 2 shadow color, one dark shadow, one light shadow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I make the white part also need to the shadow. So I can make the white shadow is I like the sky color. You can use the gray color also, because white thing also is some shadings is required. Okay, So I using little blue color for this. Okay. Fine. So now it looks a little more nice, isn't it? It looks nice, isn't it? So shading is very important. Okay. I put the shading over here. When you put shading, it looks more beautiful. Okay, I can make it little more cold shadow. Need the cold shadow, so I can make it the cold shadow like this. Okay, this is called the cold shadow. So I can make it. This is once more shadow over here. Okay, like this is the cold shadow. Yes. Okay, nice. Just a minute. Okay, nice. We are making like this and making the cold shadow.